Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ThinkPhone 25 and let me share with you how to check the IMEI number of this device. So let's start with the fastest way. We have to open the dialer and tap on the keypad and enter the code, which is *##06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. So let's tap on OK. And now another way through the settings. So let's open the settings. Here we have to scroll all the way down to find About Phone. And then scroll to find device details. And after scrolling down, you can see that here we've got the section with both IMEI numbers. So all you have to do is to simply tap on the specific IMEI to check the number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.